Hi guys, my name is George and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how easy is to activate the Astra theme, which is a great theme. It's SEO friendly, it's mobile friendly, and it works very great with WordPress. The speed is very good. And is recommended for a lot of people which use it and they are very happy with it. So they have more than one. They have the Astra free version. After that, they have the Astra Pro, which has a lot more features available, and they have Essential Bundle, which is great. Has Elementor or Beaver. You can choose from it. Have some professional form, some professional templates, and so on. You have access to all of them. And I forgot Elementor is Elementor Pro. Yes, you have the add-ons from Elementors included. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to activate. You click on Aspect, you choose a new theme, you write here Astra, click Enter, we found it. We want to look at it, we click Install, and activate. The process is very simple. Now is activated on our website. Now you have to customize if you want to do it. So here is the dashboard of the Astra theme. We have global settings, which include typography, colors, container, buttons, scroll to top, accessibility, block editor, MISC. After that, we have the header builder. You can change here very easy, drag and drop, as simple as this. You can change it very simple. Just move it and make the necessary setting. If you like, over here you click on settings and you change the design, the heights, the typography, whatever you want. After that, we have breadcrumb, we have the blog session, single post, and all you have to do, single page, sidebar, food builder, shortcut, WooCommerce. We have, if you have a store, online store, it's great for WooCommerce. You have all the necessary option here. Site identity, menus, and all that you need. Here, if you want to have more option, you have to upgrade to Astra Pro. I told you it's a great tool. Just click here. You have to check if you want to have the annual plan, Astra Pro, Astra Essential Bundle, and Grow Bundle. If you purchase for lifetime, it's much cheaper. You have to pay once, and that's all. If you want to purchase, you can go to my bio in my YouTube channel and search for Astra. Click it. It's an affiliate link. If you purchase from my affiliate link, I may earn commission, but with no extra charge for you. This is it. In the next tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to activate Astra Pro, how to activate the licenses for all the necessary features. In the next video. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye bye.